This is one of our best-seller Paoloni machine called Perlina. You can find on our website under section impregnating machine for wooden profiles and timber. This machine is suitable to apply oils, advices, stain, impregnating products, active stain as well, on 4 sides contemporary on wooden profiles like shiplats or charred wood. This is, for example, a coir charred wood and brushed. We brush it with our brushing machine. You can use this machine to apply on 4 sides, also on tongue and groove like these cladding profiles. And you have the opportunity to use this machine with beams of dimensions up to 8 to 20 centimeters. Okay? So let me show you why this is a special version. You can see it by this big panel control.
Wave Beats Music.
The machine has 2 inverters. Each one controls the machine of the engine of traction and the engine of finishing rotating brush. You can control the speed advance of timber and the spinning rotation as well. So now let's give a look at the demonstration. We introduce the wooden profile inside the machine and we will set it easily thanks to the self-adjusted system that allows to traction easily the profile. So first of all, we have a security system that we introduced inside only to show you the machine at work without safe control. You don't have to do that at home, okay? So the machine is switched on. I switch on the traction and I adjust and fix the distance between the 2 traction rollers. So let's give a look. You can see the 2 traction rollers are rotating and tightened to the boot. Push it on. Here you can see the 2 finishing brushes that, thanks to the rotation spinning control, take off the extra of the impregnation product. Up and down we have a series of panels, no gear brushes that allows to clean the bottom and the half part of the beams. Now the machine is set with panels crossed to take off by the tongue and groove of match boardings the extra of the finishing product. Let's give a look how to adjust with match boardings this system. This is a typical match boardings used for in Italy and in Europe in general. We have a tongue and groove and we have to apply flow coating thanks to the powerful air pump, the finishing product or the paints or the lacquers or the oils on 4 sides of the profile. So now we have these panels that are crossed in 3 sides. Let's give a look by the inside of the machine while the clamps is passing. Here is tractioning, the roller application is turning, here the panel are finishing and the brushes will turn to have a perfect finished wooden profile side. If you want to make a faster job, you just have to adjust the speed here and go faster, okay? As you can see, or you can go slower. For example, in case you want to work with big profiles, so you have to go slower. Well, the same thing is on the finishing brushes. You have brushes adjuster. Thanks to this dimmer, you can control the speed.